Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check notifications in the App Store. First, go to the App Store. Here on the top, there's a little 8 indicating I have 8 notifications. If I tap on my profile at the top right, there are 8 apps that are available to update. Then I can just hit Update All, and those 8 notifications will go away. If you're not seeing that, let's hop into your settings here, and we will check 2 different things. Let's go into notifications and then the App Store. Make sure Allow Notifications is on. If it's off, turn that on. Then you can turn on lock screen notifications, banners, sounds, and badges. Make sure all that's enabled. However, if you're still not seeing that notification badge, then go back here and scroll down until you get to the App Store. On here, it says App Updates. Automatically install new app updates. If I turn this on, you will see that App Store notifications disappear. However, if I turn it off, you will see it pops up again. Essentially, if you have the App Store set to automatically download and install any of those updates, then it won't show that as a notification because it's just going to run all of those updates in the background. So whether you want that to appear or not depends on whether an app has a new version on your iOS, whether you want to update it or not. You can choose to have the notification pop up or not. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.